Turn left at the next intersection. Go straight for 2 miles. Take the third exit at the roundabout. Merge onto the highway. Keep to the right lane. Take the second left after the traffic lights. Follow the signs for the city center. Cross the bridge and continue straight. Stay in the left lane to make a U-turn. The destination will be on your right. Take the next right onto Main Street. Keep going until you reach the fork in the road. Take the ramp to the airport. Continue on this road for approximately 5 kilometers. Take the second exit on the roundabout. Watch out for pedestrians crossing the street. Turn right at the traffic lights. Take the next left at the stop sign. Follow the road until you see a gas station on your right. Merge into the left lane to exit the highway. Go straight through the roundabout. Take the next right onto Elm Street. Keep an eye out for the speed limit signs. The parking lot is on your left-hand side. Make a sharp turn to the left. Stay on this road until you see a sign for the shopping mall. Keep going until you reach the T-junction. Take the 3rd street on your left. Take the underpass to avoid the traffic. Continue on this road until you reach the crossroads. Merge into the center lane to turn left. Take the next exit on the highway. Follow the one-way street. Take the pedestrian bridge to cross the road. Make a slight right at the fork. Stay in the right-hand lane to exit. Turn left at the next traffic lights. Keep going straight ahead. Take the next available parking space. Go around the roundabout and take the second exit. The hospital is located on the right-hand side. Follow the road until you reach the traffic circle. Take the left fork in the road. Merge onto the expressway. Take the overpass to cross the river. Turn right at the second stop sign. Keep following the signs for the beach. Take the pedestrian crossing to cross the street. Make a U-turn at the next opportunity. The museum is on the corner of the next block. Keep an eye out for the street name signs. Take the next exit and turn left at the roundabout. Keep going until you see the sign for the train station. Turn right onto the main road. Continue straight until you reach the traffic lights. Take the next right onto Oak Avenue. Go through the tunnel. Take the next left onto Maple Street. Stay in the left lane to go straight ahead. Follow the detour signs. Turn left at the fork in the road. Take the next available on-ramp to the highway. Keep going until you see the sign for the university. Turn right at the intersection. Go straight through the roundabout and take the second exit. Follow the road as it bends to the left. Merge into the right lane to take the exit. The post office is on the opposite side of the road. Take the next left onto Park Lane. Keep an eye out for the bus stop. Continue straight until you reach the crosswalk. Turn right at the traffic circle. Go straight ahead for 3 blocks. Take the next left onto High Street. Stay in the middle lane to continue straight. Follow the sign for the sports stadium. Merge onto the freeway. Take the next exit and turn left. Keep going until you reach the roundabout. Turn right at the next intersection. Go straight through the tunnel. Take the next available parking garage on your right. Follow the road as it curves to the right. Merge into the left lane to make a left turn. Take the next right onto Smith Avenue. Keep going until you see the sign for the zoo. Turn left at the next traffic lights. Go straight ahead and take the second exit at the roundabout. Follow the road as it winds through the mountains. Merge into the center lane to go straight. Take the next available off-ramp. Keep an eye out for the sign for the campground. Turn right at the fork in the road. Go straight ahead and the destination will be on your left. Follow the road as it bends to the right. Merge into the right lane to take the next exit. Take the next left onto Broadway Street. Keep going straight until you reach the traffic lights. Take the next right onto Pine Avenue. Stay in the left lane to continue on the highway.